Welcome. You are listening Radio Central News. I am Vikrant Dogra and now news in detail. Delhi recorded 6,456 cases of COVID 19 and 262 deaths from the virus in the past 24 hours, a health bulletin said on Sunday. The positivity rate in the national capital is 10.40%, while the fatality rate is 1.55%. With the fresh infections, the active cases have reached 62,783, but a total of 9,706 patients also recovered in the past day. The fresh cases came from a total of 62,059 tests comprising 45,094 RT-PCR, CBNAAT, TrueNat and 16,965 rapid antigen tests conducted in the last 24 hours. The total cases in Delhi have reached 13,93,867, while the death toll now stands at 21,506. As per the official data, 7,895 COVID beds are available in hospitals, 5,508 in dedicated COVID-19 care center, and 475 in dedicated COVID healthcare centers. The health bulletin said 1,18,087 beneficiaries were vaccinated in the past day, which included 80,292 first dose recipients and 37,795 who were administered with second dose. From May 1, all adults are eligible for vaccination against COVID-19, but the population is large while vaccine doses are less. The second batch of the Russia Sputnik V vaccine arrived in Hyderabad on Sunday, Russian ambassador to India, Nikolai Kudasev, said. A second batch of Sputnik V has landed in Hyderabad today. We are very happy to see that the Russian-Indian joint fight against COVID-19, which is one of the vital areas of our bilateral cooperations nowadays, has firmly stood on rail and moving forward, the ambassador said in a tweet. Affirming that the Sputnik V vaccine is even effective against new strains of COVID-19, Mr. Kudasev said this second delivery is very timely. Israeli Air Force said on Sunday that around 2,900 missiles have been fired from the Gaza Strip towards Israel till now, out of which around 1,150 were successfully intercepted by the Iron Dome missile defense system. As of 7, since the beginning of Operation Guardians of the Walls, approximately 2,900 rockets have been fired from the Gaza Strip towards Israeli territory, of which approximately 450 failed launches fell in the Gaza Strip. Iron Dome air defense soldiers have intercepted approximately 1,150 rockets, the military posted on its Twitter handle. Till now, several civilians and one soldier have been killed in Israel as the conflict escalated. In response to rocket attacks, Israel has carried out air strikes on military targets in the Gaza Strip, with Palestine reporting over 170 deaths, including more than 40 children. The UN Security Council is scheduled to meet on Sunday to discuss the ongoing hostilities between Israel and Palestine. Also, European foreign ministers will have an extraordinary online meeting on Tuesday to discuss the situation, European top diplomat Joseph Borrell said earlier in the day. The Israeli military says it has bombed the home of the political leader of Palestinian militant group Hamas in a wave of air strikes on the Gaza Strip. It released video of an exploding bomb, which it said had hit the home of Yahya Sinwar, the group's overall leader in the territory. Israeli air strikes in Gaza killed at least 33 people early on Sunday, officials there said. Militants fired rockets at Israel with a new barrage on Sunday afternoon. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has vowed to continue to respond forcefully to rocket attacks. Israel has recorded nearly 3,000 rocket launches from Gaza since Monday. A UN Security Council meeting is set to take place later on Sunday, and the 57-nation Organization of Islamic Cooperation is holding virtual emergency talks. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.